My goal today would be to get everything ready for the tin to come up. Ideally, that means having all the felt paper down, having all the purlins down on this side, and just kind of take it by ear as the day goes. So we'll see what time we get back today. So, thanks. Hey, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we finally have a decent day, really nice day. It's supposed to be like 80 degrees of just pure sun, which yesterday was supposed to be like 70 and cloudy. So I haven't been counting on the weather forecast all too much the last week or two. So I've kind of just been playing it by ear, which has not been fun. As you can see, we're getting ready. They just got to go up to the top, to the other side to finish the purlins on the other side. Then I got to rip off these boards. There's a couple all around, so I can take off this plastic. Doesn't sound too complicated, doesn't sound like too much. 80-degree weather. I'm not a roofer, so I'm not used to this. I don't like this. It's not very exciting or fun. But we'll see where we get. If we get all that, we'll probably try to get some drip edge on here on the eaves, on the eave if we can. Well, we didn't get quite as far as I'd hoped to the other night, but I was late for something anyway, so I had to get out of here. So I gotta finish a couple things up, at least get up to the peak, finish up the rest of these purlins or these strips you see here. Hopefully we can get that taken care of and see what time it is. I only have a couple hours again this morning, so little by little anyway, I guess. But thanks for watching. We'll see how it goes. Well, I've got about 10 inches left to the peak for my felt, so I guess I need to pick up a little bit more of that. I got to get over the peak somehow before I leave. I'll probably just tarp it again because I'll be gone for about a week here with everything else that's going on in life. So I think at this point be a mixture between kind of cleaning up all the trash that I've thrown down, and I might try to get the drip edge down on at the bottom. That'll be a bit of a pain, but once that's on this side and on the other side, and then I finish up here, which again I won't be able to do that today, I'll actually be able to start laying down the sheets of metal, which will be fun and cool and encouraging. Hey guys, sorry, my phone storage ended up running out without me really noticing it. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Super excited that we were able to see the roof get delivered today. That was cool. We're getting so close to actually being able to put all that up on the roof itself. Fortunately or unfortunately, most of that is going to be done alone. So I've got some ideas at least in mind of how to make that work. So make sure you come on back next week and see what those ideas are and see if they actually work. Again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.